Here 115 is the middle value. It divides the students into 8 students each, means it divides into 2 equal groups here. This middle value it is called as the median. Here 115 is the median in this example. Now we can define the median, children. Median means it refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data whenever arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. We can also say ascending or descending order, with half of the observation above it and the other half below it. You can take the definition here, children. Here median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in increasing or decreasing order, with half of the observations above it and the other half below it. Means here median means, you should remember here, children, the middle value of the given data. It should divide into 2 equal groups. That value we can call it as the median. Here now the PE teacher, he decides to keep the middle students as a referee in the game. Now here we consider only those cases where the number of observations is odd. See here, children, 17 students are there. 17 is a odd number. Here we consider the odd number of observations. Thus, in a given data arranged in ascending or descending order, the median gives us the middle observation. Now you note that, children, in general we may not get the same value for the median and mode. Thus we realize that mean, mode and median are the numbers that are representative values of a group of observations or a data. They lie between the minimum and the maximum values of the data. They are also called as the measures of central tendency. You should remember, children, mean, mode and median, they are the measures of central tendency. Now you take one example here, children. Example: find the median of the data 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25 and 35. Now you have to find the median here, children. Solution: first you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Arranging the given data in ascending order, we get, arrange these in ascending order, children. Here smallest is 17, next 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46. Now you already know that children, median means it is the middle observation. See here children, which is the middle observation. Count here how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 observations are there. See here. So it is not 8 children. There are only 7 observations. See here 3 and 25 is the middle observation. Here median is the middle observation. Therefore here 25 is the median. Understood children? Till now we studied about the median. This is the another measure of central tendency. See children, till now you have studied about the median, and in the previous classes you already studied about the arithmetic mean and the mode also. Arithmetic mean means it is the sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. And you also studied about the range. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest observation. Mode means it is the most frequently occurred term. And now today you learnt about the median. Median means you should remember it is the middle observation. Understood children? You try to solve exercise 3.2, and if you have any doubt you can ask me children. Thank you.